For a few days into coming back home after the Rivers State Nysc Camp, I would just at random find myself shouting, Breton! Awkward, Abby? Let's call it PTSD. PTSD that this beautiful camp gave to me. And may I add that this was batch C, stream 2, 2022. Hey guys, so I just signed in officially to camp. Hope you guys can hear me properly. I'm about to start my biometrics now. So this is the registration point. You start from the first table and you move to the third one. So I think I'm going to the hostel now. These are my things. After I drop my things, I began the registration process. I promise you this place is the trenches. Like, look at how a beautiful girl of just now is sweating. I even started to have heat rash bumps because it was so hot. Oh my god. So after like 3 hours in the hall, it was finally my turn. And guess what happened to me? They sent me back because I don't have my school ID. And she thought there was a photo card I had. She said I need the original. She threw it back at me. So I was just standing there waiting for them to decide my fate. I stood. After a while, they said I should not waste my time more. So I just left there. But they said I could bring my international passport. So I left the registration site and I came to eat. Do you mind entering my video with my friend? Because they can't kill me in this place. So tomorrow we start again tomorrow. I'm done eating. Let me show you guys the famous Port Harcourt Mami Market. Mami Markets was essentially the chill spot in camp. Here you can get anything you want or need to live happily in camp. They had a variety of things I really liked. The ice cream is really good here. The shawarma is really good. The bole, of course, now is PH. It's so good. What else? Yeah, I was really happy to see this spot where they sell toast, hot toast in the morning. All in all, my market here is nice. Good morning. It's another day in the trenches. So we just finished our morning juice or whatever they call it. I don't know yet. And fortunately for people like me, we haven't finished registering, so we weren't fully involved in the activities. So, continuation of my ordeal yesterday, I'm back in this place to continue my registration. Yeah, I made a new friend today. Oh, you say hi. Okay, see you guys soon. Hi. I went to the kitchen hall for the first time that evening. Surprisingly, it was very neat and orderly. However, there are days like this where it's like super crowded, especially days like Sunday where they serve rice and chicken, but oh well. Say hi. Good morning. So today is my swearing in, finally. I'm so, I don't know if the word is nervous, but we only have a few minutes left And I'm not even looking forward to this because I know how hot the sun is about to get and how long I'm about to stand under the sun. So that's not even fun. But at least after today, all of us will know that Ricky is officially a youth corper. So I'm just trying to do my edges. I wanted to buy eyeliner and line my eyes like a babe this morning, but as the soldiers will have it, I have not the time anymore. Anyway, I don't know if I'll be able to video anything when I get to the parade ground because it's quite strict, but I'm willing to risk my life for you guys, so let's see if I'll be able to.
Hi, Copper.
Oh, hi. Guess who's about to be sworn in? Goodness, say hi. My girls getting ready. About to be sworn in. This was something like a welcome party of some sort. Rookie, why aren't you on the dance floor? Number one, I'm a videographer, not a dancer. Can't catch me sleeping. It's a lie, I just cannot dance. You miss about camp? Seriously?
Let me see.
Shit.
Yeah, they broke me. They removed me. I think I'm a better person.
Yeah?
I made new friends.
Yeah.
I don't know how long it's going to last, but I'm just praying to God it should last longer than I'm expecting.
You're going to miss about camp.
Everybody, only Platinum 5 members.
Very stubborn.
I swear. And my hostel girls, they're the best I beg. Catching cruise and everything. This camp was actually nice.
Yeah.
I'm not going to miss mommy because they always give us poisoned food. That is all.
Okay, baby. Thank you. David, what of you? What are you going to miss about camp?
Double up.
Double up.
Are you asking me?
Sit down. These are the things you missed. Elisha, what are you going to miss about camp?
I'm going to miss everyone. I'm going to miss the activities. I'm going to miss you. I'm going to meet all these lovely girls. I'm seeing lots of videos.
Okay, PG, thank you.
What now?
Hi, what are you going to miss about camp?
Mostly the food.
The fun. I think I met really, really cool people. And I think that I learned a lot of things that I didn't think I would learn here, but I did. So are you on TikTok? I'm ready.
So Ruki, I want to ask you just one funny question. Do you know esophagus?
I swear to God, if you're about to tell me to spell esophagus.
Do you know esophagus?
Yes.
Where is it located?
Here.
Spell esophagus.
O E Ego S.
This is our proud couple, a proud Nigerian student. I've just graduated with first class.
EOS.
Yes.
SO. PHAGUS.
Wow, this is so amazing. I celebrate you.
Correct one.
So here with me also we have
Priska.
Priska. Oh, she looks so cute. Oh,
Hi, Priska.
wow, so beautiful, just like the morning sun. All right, so Priska, what did you study in school?
Economics.
Economics.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
That's amazing. So can I ask you just one question?
Me too.
All right. This soup draw well. Can you just translate into a correct English, please?
Come again.
This soup draw well. The ogbono soup draw well. Just put it in the correct English.
This soup.
Draw well.
This soup is drawing.
Wow, this is amazing. Wow, she's so amazing. What did you say is your name again?
Priska.
I celebrate you. Thanks for having.
Thus concludes this vlog. If you ask me, I'm of the personal view that the NYSC orientation camp can be likened to a social experiment of some sorts where you have a chance to discover or rediscover yourself when you are thrust into a sea of complete and utter strangers that don't know you and have zero expectations of you. And I personally really love the person that I am or became as a result of this camp. Well, till next time, bye.